Hey YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are here to give away 2 prizes for our 1600 subscriber giveaway. Okay, so let's get started. We're giving away 2 bags of jewelry. Let's start with the information you're going to need. If you are the winner, you will need to email me your name, address, and email address, and YouTube name. You will also need to do that by Tuesday the 23rd. If I don't hear from you, then I will have to select another winner. And if you have any questions about any of that, just shoot me an email. That'd be great. Alright, let's go over to the random picker. I got my address in there already. So let's get the YouTube comments. Okay, we're going to start. Okay, I don't know what that is. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Okay, got to go down to this start button. Okay, here we go. Faith Seidel, congratulations, you are the first winner. That means you can pick between bag number 1 or bag number 2. Whatever bag is left over will go to the second place winner. Congratulations, Faith. Let's try and pick another one. It says pick another winner. And we'll hit the start button. Melva Baker, congratulations. Yay. Thank you guys so much for entering the contest. If you have any questions, please email me so that I can answer them as best as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for being a subscriber. Thanks. Bye.